next month, which is December, make a lot of noise around in the area. You can hear them wherever you go. Let's carry on.
Guys come only in summertime. They migrate. I haven't read that for years, but I think they go up to Central Africa. And a very typical low-veld sound. You don't hear these guys further up into the interior of Southern Africa. And even though there are kingfishers, they eat mainly insects. These guys also, like a lot of other African kingfisher species, don't really catch a lot of fish anymore. They've learned that it's easier to eat butterflies and grasshoppers and so on.
The guys are gonna fight a little bit. A Wahlberg. Yeah, man. If we can able to get to see that. A Wahlberg eagle chasing off Bateleur eagle. Interactions. It's not difficult to see, but yeah, Wahlbergs and the Bateleur eagle. Hey, look at the way the eagle turned, huh? I mean, the Bateleur eagle turns when the Wahlberg really tried to fight it off. It's amazing. It's raw like that. You won't believe that it's on flight. Man. The best eagle when it comes to flying with the tightrope walker. And while it's flying there, you can see very far, 18 kilometers away. He's now on a patrol, checking whoever make a kill around in the area. He's gonna blast it. Take if lions are eating, or if it just die naturally, he's gonna spot it and take the eye off for the hyena, because hyenas are coward animals. Seeing animals with the eyes look like he's looking, he's gonna run away. So here he's gonna take that eye. He's got a contract to take off that eye. Hyena is very good when it hunts at night because they can't see the eyes. They can really go for animals, but during the day, if it's a lion is dead and the eye is open, he doesn't believe that he's dead. He will come close and run away, but he can get a smell. It's very amazing. It's only the Bateleur that.
Obviously just getting a bit of a drink, but probably also picking up some mud. They build their nests with little globules or bits of mud. It would be a good place for them to collect it.
All these different kind of birds in the area. So really this time is a very good time for nesting, because a lot of insects to feed after they've been laying eggs and hatch. They're able to survive. So in most of the time, these capped turtle dove, they're always in two pairs, sitting somewhere here, looking, checking around for a female. If anything happened to the female, the male will take it over in the nest, take care of the youngsters, chicks, until they're grown up. It's amazing. They don't build such a very big, massive